Well, the issue of the death sentence to Kulbhushan Jadhav by Pakistan was raised in Parliament today. Both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha expressed solidarity with Jadhav and his family. MPs cutting across party lines said they wholeheartedly support the government on the issue. Speaking in Rajya Sabha, External Affairs Minister Sushma Swaraj strongly condemned Pakistan's act. Cautioning Pakistan, Sushma Swaraj said that the move will have adverse repercussions on the bilateral ties between the two countries.
Let me state clearly that the government and people of India would view very seriously the possibility that an innocent Indian citizen is facing death sentence in Pakistan without due process and in violation of basic norms of law, justice and international relations. I would caution the Pakistan government to consider the consequences for our bilateral relationship if they proceed on this matter. Mr. Deputy Chairman, sir, I would also like to tell the House that I have been in touch with the parents of Shri Jadhav and we are extending our fullest support to them in this difficult situation.
Meanwhile, the leader of opposition in Rajya Sabha, Ghulam Nabi Azad, appealed to the government to ensure Jadhav gets justice.
जो वहां की फौज ने किया वो तो किया है, लेकिन इसके बाद दो और मरहले हैं, एक तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट और फिर उसके बाद राष्ट्रपति के पास जाएगा केस। लेकिन सुप्रीम कोर्ट सबसे ज्यादा जरूरी है, तो क्या हमारी सरकार उसमें पूरी मदद करे कि ऐसे वकील उसके पास हों जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट में उसकी वहां की सुप्रीम कोर्ट में उसकी पूरी मदद करें, अदालत में ही हम जीत जाएं।
While assuring the opposition, Sushma Swaraj said that the government will do all that it can to ensure Jadhav gets justice.
हिंदुस्तान के इस बेटे को बचाने के लिए सुप्रीम कोर्ट की अपील या अच्छा वकील खड़ा करना तो बहुत छोटी बात है भाईजान। हम लोग प्रेसिडेंट तक भी जो बात करनी वो भी करेंगे और किसी ना किसी तरह से इस जादव को बचाने का काम करेंगे।
Well, speaking on the issue in Lok Sabha, Home Minister Rajnath Singh rubbished Pakistan's claim that Jadhav was a spy.
कुलभूषण जाधव के पास यदि वैलिड इंडियन पासपोर्ट मिला है तो वह स्पाई कैसे हो सकता है, यह बात समझ में नहीं आती है। जब उनके पास वैलिड इंडियन पासपोर्ट था तो इसका प्रश्न ही नहीं खड़ा होता और ये पाकिस्तान के एक्शन को यह सीधे एक्सपोज करता है। भारतीय हाई कमीशन ने बार बार पाकिस्तान से भी अनुरोध किया था कि हमको काउंसलर एक्सेस दिया जाना चाहिए, लेकिन बार बार भारतीय हाई कमीशन के द्वारा जो है अनुरोध किए जाने के बावजूद काउंसलर एक्सेस जो दी जानी चाहिए थी वह काउंसलर एक्सेस नहीं दी गई है।
Well, the Congress MP Shashi Tharoor urged the government to take the unity of the House and the nation on the issue to the international level, given that Pakistan has clearly violated international law and convention while handing out the death sentence to Jadhav.
The unity of this House and the unity of this country must be translated internationally. The fact is, we prefer not to internationalize our problems with Pakistan. But this is one time when what Pakistan is doing is not only an assault on India, it is an assault on the bonds of international law, of international conventions that affect everybody. We will convey our support to the government as well as urge the government to take it up in world forums as well.
Well, BJP MP Anurag Thakur reminded the House that this is not the first such act by Pakistan and called on it to condemn the move.
ये पहली घटना नहीं है अध्यक्ष जी, इससे पहले सरबजीत सिंह हो, चमेल सिंह हो और अब कुलभूषण जाधव हो। ये पाकिस्तान के आतंकवादी जहां एक और भारतीयों को, निर्दोषों को मारते हैं, वहीं दूसरी ओर पाकिस्तान की सरकार निर्दोष भारतीयों को अगवा करके उनको इस तरह से फांसी की सजा देने तक का काम जो करती है उसकी पूरी तरह से आलोचना यहां पर करनी चाहिए।
NCP MP Tariq Anwar said that Pakistan was resorting to diversionary tactics to cover up its ill intentions towards India.
पाकिस्तान अपनी नापाक इरादों को या नापाक कार्यों पर पर्दा डालने के लिए इस तरह का कदम उसने उठाया है, इसलिए इसका विरोध पूरी ताकत के साथ होना चाहिए, कठोर विरोध होना चाहिए।
Meanwhile, Information and Broadcasting Minister Venkaiah Naidu has said that Pakistan has been exposed in the Kulbhushan Jadhav case. Speaking to media persons at the Parliament House today, Naidu said that Pakistan is not changing its approach and attitude despite all-round condemnation. Another Union Minister, Jitendra Singh, also expressed similar sentiments.
कोई तक उन्होंने सबूत पेश नहीं किया, कोई फेयर ट्रायल हुआ नहीं, किसी को मालूम भी नहीं है, फिर भी अपने आप उन्होंने तय करके रखा। हमारा लोग, उनका जो लोग है उनको छोड़ते हैं हम लोग हमारा, तो इसलिए पाकिस्तान अपना पुराना आदत से बाहर नहीं आ पा रहे, वही दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है और पूरा दुनिया देख रहे है, पूरा दुनिया में इसका निंदा होगा।
It's highly reassuring for all of us, for every Indian, that across the party lines, the Indian Parliament has shown a rare solidarity in raising its voice against the manner in which Pakistan has handled this case of Jadhav, and also in similar cases earlier, the manner in which Pakistan has been flouting all the diplomatic norms, all the norms of cordial human behavior, and therefore certainly across the party lines I think there is no difference of opinion as far as India's opinion and India's stand against this kind of an attitude from Pakistan is concerned.
While reacting strongly to the death sentence awarded to Kulbhushan Jadhav, India has said it will consider it a premeditated murder if Pakistan carries out the death sentence. The trial proceedings are farcical without observing basic norms of law and justice. Foreign Secretary S. Jaishankar summoned the Pakistan High Commissioner Abdul Basit to issue a demarche to Pakistan. Kulbhushan Jadhav, an Indian citizen, was awarded a death sentence by a Pakistani military court-martial yesterday for alleged espionage.